townspeople whispered tales of haunting and dread that surrounded the manor, warning each other to stay far away from its menacing presence. Legend had it that a wealthy family once resided within its walls, but tragedy struck one fateful night. The family, the van der Lindens, disappeared without a trace, leaving the mansion abandoned and frozen in time. Locals believe that the spirits of the van der Lindens continued to haunt the manor, their tortured souls forever trapped within its decayed chambers. Young Simon, a curious teenager, had always been drawn to the mysterious stories surrounding Ravenswood Manor. Despite the warnings from his friends and family, he couldn't resist the allure of the haunted mansion. One moonlit night, he gathered the courage to venture inside. As Simon entered the creaking front door, a bone-chilling breeze whispered through the hallways, making his skin crawl.
If you want to make such horror story videos and earn money from YouTube like this channel's, you must watch the full video. This video is divided into 5 chapters. In this video, I will show you step-by-step process to create such type of video, so stay tuned until the last step. Let's get started. Chapter 1, Generating Script. To generate script, I'm going to use a cohesive AI tool because it is easy to generate a script in this tool. First of all, let's select the story generator option from here. Then we have to enter a topic. So let's write a creepy horror story. If you have any reference video or any link you can add here, then enter target audience, genre, and story length. So here our story script is ready. Now let's move to the another chapter. For this, let's copy this line to generate image. Chapter 2, Generating Images for this story. For I will use the Leonardo free AI tool. First of all, choose the number of images, dimension and aspect ratio, and then enter your prompt. So here I'm going to paste the script which we copied before from Cohesive AI, and then click on Generate, and see the result. So our image is ready based on storyline, or you can also write more details in prompt, so you can get accurate results according to your story. Now, let's go back and see what image we want in second line. So for the second line, I want the image of a haunted mansion. So let's write here a haunted mansion, and click on Generate. You can also write a horror house or a big mansion with dark background, and repeat the process. Just read your script and generate images according to the scene. All right, let's jump to the next chapter. Chapter 3, Image to Video. In this step, we are going to convert these images into short videos. For this, let's use Runway ML. Now we have to choose the image to video option and upload the image which we generated in Leonardo. It takes some seconds to generate, so let's add another image to generate. So by this way, upload all the images to generate the video. Now let's see how it looks. You can also extend this video up to 4 seconds. It's an amazing write. All right, let's go with the next step. Chapter 4, Generating Voice-Over. For this, I'm going to use 11 labs. Here, first of all, choose the voice, adjust the settings, and copy the script and paste it here. Then, after, click on Generate and download it. So, this is the last and final step. Chapter 5, Editing. To edit the video, I will use Canva because it's very easy to use for beginners. You can use any free video editor software if you want. Now, all you have to do is just upload all the videos which we generated in Runway ML, and also upload images which you generated, and then add one by one according to the script. You can also add transitions between pages. There are so many options. And if you want to increase the length of the video, you can also decrease the speed from here. And you can also trim your video if you want. Then after, we can also add different animations in this page. Then upload the audio of voiceover and add it.
Surrounded by dense forests, there stood an old and eerie mansion known as Ravenswood Manor. The townspeople whispered tales
Or if you want to add some scary things and images, you can also add from Canva. Just go the element option and search for horror. So here you can find many images, videos, or graphics which you can use in your story. All right, now let's add background music for this. Let's go to the YouTube audio library. And download the audio which you like, then add it in your video like this. So this is how we can create horror story videos for YouTube channels. If you found any valuable information in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also share your thoughts regarding this in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Bye, see you in the next video.